Hello and welcome to bmclounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I'm the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website as well as our official YouTube channel, youtube.com/bmclounge. Subscribe to us if you haven't done so already. In this video, I wanted to go over one comment that I received on one of our videos. It says, and you will see it on your screen, through this video, I learned a lot about project management. Since I am a mechanical engineer, this means a lot to me. I learned how to manage a project. For example, if I want to make a car, so I can apply 5 processes, which are planning, initiation, execution, monitoring and control, and lastly, closing my project. For instance, in planning, what I need to buy for manufacturing, design and budget of my car, then for initiation process, making chassis as a frame for car, followed by executing engine, steering and seats. After that, controlling and monitoring. Is everything going all right? Then when car is fully manufactured, the project is set to be closed. Now, I hope you realize, if you're already aware of project management, I hope you realize that's not how it works. When we talk about initiation and planning, we are actually starting off and thinking, what car should we manufacture and is there a business need for a car? That's where initiation comes into the picture. When we are talking about planning, that's when your project is already kicked off and you're actually planning the kind of car that you are going to basically manufacture and why so, right? That's when you come into designing the car, and that's when it comes to execution, you're actually finalizing the car design and you get the car design approved, and perhaps you come up with maybe a concept car of sorts, a demo car of sorts, right? You manufacture just one unit of the car. That's the execution part of it. And then closure is getting a sign off on that one car. So that is how a project flows when we are talking about this specific example of car manufacturing. One thing that I want you to understand is the fact that manufacturing comes under operations. When you are creating a new car, when you are coming up with an idea of a new car, and let's say maybe manufacturing only just one car for demo purposes, for getting it approved by the stakeholders, that is a project. But when your car is ready, and let's say the project is successful, the car is ready, the stakeholders are good to go and start manufacturing, and then you start manufacturing hundreds of cars every day, that is not a project, that is operations. So coming up with a new car, a concept car of sorts, that's a project. Manufacturing hundreds of cars every day, that is an operation. I hope that is clear. I just wanted to create this video to avoid any confusion. That's all in this one. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.